Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Comerica Bank online account password. If you don't have a Comerica Bank account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to register and get a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for self-service at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Self-Service. Under the Preferences section, you will see an option for Change My Password/User ID. Click on Change My Password/User ID. For security purposes, a verification is needed. Then, a one-time password will be sent to your email to confirm your identity. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Now here, you will see a section from which you could change your password. On the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. After that, re-enter new password on the third field. After entering, click on Change Password. That's how you change your Comerica Bank online account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.